Hello, we welcome you to the Iporque International channel. This is a channel where you can find information on health issues, beauty tips, and well-being in general. Well, in today's video we want to tell you about a very interesting topic, and it is about what is the pap smear and what are the diseases that this important gynecological examination detects in women. Visiting a gynecologist is usually very annoying and sometimes even painful for many women. So they do not go to this test because they think or believe that the pap test hurts. The reality is that this test should not cause any pain. If it does, you should inform your doctor immediately. Stay until the end of this video, that today on your channel we will tell you all about what is the pap smear and what this important gynecological examination consists of. Well, let's see what is the pap smear and what are the diseases it can detect. What is a pap smear? The pap smear is an examination or analysis performed by specialists in women's health to determine possible changes in the cervix. That is an orifice that allows blood to be expelled during the menstrual process. It is located in the lower part of the uterus, which in turn can cause cancer without the first symptoms becoming apparent. How is a pap smear performed? The gynecologist places the speculum on the female organ, opens it slowly so that the doctor can better see the cervix, then removes it from the cervix with a thin spatula, cells or mucus, and then inserts a small cotton ball into the opening of the cervix to obtain a sample of the endocervix. Finally, the samples taken at the time of the pap will be prepared for examination under a microscope. What diseases can the PAPANICOLAOU detect? The PAPANICOLAOU or PAP is very good for the detection or prevention of possible disorders or diseases, some more serious than others. Let's see what they are. Number 1. Vaginal candidiasis. Vaginal candidiasis is an infectious disease which can be caused by different types of fungi. The most common of them is Candida albicans. This is a fungus which is present in the intestinal flora and vaginal area, which causes infection when its production is accelerated and uncontrolled. With the pap test, we can detect this disease. Number 2. Human papilloma virus. It is a common sexually transmitted infection, and at some point in life both men and women can contract it if they are sexually active. Warts caused by papilloma can appear on the intimate parts or any other part of the body. It is transmitted by sexual contact with the infected person. With the pap smear test, this virus can be detected. Number 3. Bacterial vaginosis. This abnormality is an infection caused by Gardnerella vaginalis. The main reason is an imbalance in the number of different types of bacteria that live naturally in the vagina. The use of products such as vaginal soap, deodorants, or other irritants can change the natural pH of the vagina and cause infections. The pap smear can detect these imbalances very effectively. Number 4. Herpes. Herpes is a sexually transmitted disease caused by a virus called Herpes simplex. The disease is usually manifested by the presence of sores in the rectum or in the area near the rectum or on the buttocks and thighs. It is spread through sexual intercourse with a carrier, either through the anus, vagina, or mouth. It can be dangerous if a woman is pregnant because it can spread to her baby. Number 5. Cervical Cancer. One of the most serious diseases that the pap smear can detect. This is a disease caused by cancerous cells. It usually causes no symptoms, but over time pelvic pain or small vaginal bleeding may occur, especially if a woman undergoes a PAPANICOLAOU or pap test. Number 6. The AIDS virus. HIV or human immunodeficiency virus is a disease which is characterized by destroying the immune system, severely damaging a type of white blood cell which helps the body to cope with infections. By destroying these white blood cells, the body is exposed to suffer many other infections. This disease is transmitted mainly through sexual intercourse. With the pap smear, we can detect its presence in the body of the woman. Well, so far this was the information that we wanted to share with you. In the description you can find links to our social networks. If you like the video, please share it, give us a like, or tell us in the comments. On the other hand, if you're watching this on Facebook, like the page and share. Remember that this is a purely educational video and we cannot substitute the opinion of any health professional. Finally, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to be the first to know about all of our videos. Until next time.